This Swansboro Port Realty property video is presented by Jeff Price. Rare find. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in the community of Forest Ridge close to Swansboro, bases and beaches. Large eat-in kitchen with family room and island. Stainless appliances, granite counters, glass tile backsplash. There's even a water-on-demand tap over the stove, garbage disposal, 2 ovens. The 2-story foyer opens into the formal dining room. The entire first floor is hardwood throughout, including kitchen, family room, dining room, and living room. There is a 2-way gas fireplace to the living room and family room. The enormous master bedroom is spectacular with its tray ceiling, huge walk-in closet and master bath with double sinks, jacuzzi tub with separate shower. Custom plantation blinds accent most windows in the house. Back deck overlooks the fenced backyard. Has an irrigation system, security system and many extras throughout. Community has a day dock, boat ramp and boat/RV storage lot. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Price at 910-326-8855.